So this is this morning's walk. A bit puffy. And we can probably hear a lot of wind, but look at that sky. How beautiful. And we've got a friend with us. This is crazy. This is like Ada. Crazy little thing she is. She wants to play, but he doesn't. They don't want to play with you, do they? So she's going off back to her mum. Come on then, boys. You coming? You've not had enough already. Hey? You've not had enough already. Come on then, let's go a bit further. You alright, Babs? Good boy. And they go off into the sunset. Well, the sunrise actually, because it's morning. So that's it. See you later. Bye.